Dear students, today we are going to discuss sums of arithmetic sequences. In first case, sum of first n natural numbers. Okay, sequence of natural numbers is also an arithmetic sequence. Okay, sum of first n natural numbers. Let us first find sum of first 10 natural numbers. Okay, let S equals 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, and also S equals, just take the reverse, 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 6 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Just add S plus S equals 1 plus 10 11, 2 plus 9 11, 3 plus 8 11, 4 plus 7, then 5 plus 6, 6 plus 5, 7 plus 4, 8 plus 3, then 9 plus 2, 10 plus 1. So how many 11s are there in this line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So S plus S is 2S. 2S is 10 times 11. Okay. So S is 10 into 11 by 2, or we can write half into 10 into 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. Okay. So sum of first 10 natural numbers is half into 10 into 10 plus 1. Now let us find out the sum of first 100 natural numbers. Sum of first 100 natural numbers. What we get? The last case, let us take S as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus etc. plus 100, and also S is 100, then 99 plus 98 plus 97 plus etc. plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay. Then what is S plus S? S plus S is 1 plus 100, 101. 2 plus 99 is also 101. Next, 3 plus 98, 101 plus etc. plus 98 plus 3, 101, 99 plus 2, 101, 100 plus 1 is 101. Then how many 101s are there in this case? Okay, we go to first 100 natural numbers, or we take first 100 natural numbers. So from this we get 100 times 101. Okay. Or 2S is 100 into 101. From this, S equals 100 into 101 by 2. Or this can be written as half into 100 into 100 plus 1. Okay. So the sum of first 100 natural numbers is half into 100 into 100 plus 1. In the last case, sum of first 10 terms. What is that? Half into 10 into 10 plus 1. Okay. Sum of first 100 terms. Can you say? Yes, 100 half into 100 into 100 plus 1. Next, in the case of 200 terms, sum of first 200 terms of natural numbers, or sum of first 200 natural numbers. Can you say? Is half into, here first 10 terms or first 10 natural numbers. Here we can write natural numbers. Okay. Sum of first 10 natural numbers is half into 10 into 10 plus 1. Sum of first 100 natural numbers is half into 100 into 100 plus 1. Then sum of first 200 natural numbers is half into 200 into 200 plus 1. Now, what is the sum of first n natural numbers? Sum of first n natural numbers. What is that? Half into n into n plus 1. Okay. By continuing like this, we get sum of first n natural numbers is half into n plus 1, or half n plus 1. Okay. The sum of first n natural numbers is half into n plus 1, or the sum of any number of consecutive natural numbers starting with 1 is half the product of the last number and the next natural number. Once again, the sum of any number of consecutive natural numbers starting with 1 is half the product of the last number and the next natural number. Okay. Next, sum of first n even numbers. Okay. That is, we have discussed 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n is half n into n plus 1. That is, the sum of first n natural numbers is half into n plus 1. Half the product of the last number and the next natural number. Now, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus etc. plus 2n. That is the sum of the first n even numbers. This can be written as 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n. Okay. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus etc. plus 2n is 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n. That is 2 into, we already got 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n is half into n plus 1. That is half into n plus 1. Let us cancel 2 and 2. The next n into n plus 1. Okay. That is, the sum of first n even numbers is n into n plus 1. Sum of first n natural numbers is half into n plus 1. Okay, next, sum of first odd numbers. Sum of first n odd numbers. Okay, first, this is the first odd number. 1. This is 1 square. Okay. The next, first two odd numbers 1 and 3. That is 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. That is 2 square. The next, first 3. 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3 plus 5. What is the sum? 1 plus 3? 4. 4 plus 5? 9. This is 3 square. Okay. Then next, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. plus then n terms. Can you say? Here, ഒരെണ്ണമായപ്പോൾ 1 square. 2 odd numbers എടുത്തപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ 2 square. First 3 odd numbers എടുത്തപ്പോൾ 3 square. Then can you say what is the sum of first n odd numbers? Okay, this is n square. Okay, sum of first n odd numbers is n square. Now let us discuss this using algebra. Okay, take xn equals 2n minus 1, or the nth term of odd number sequence, or the nth term of, or the algebra of odd numbers is 2n minus 1. Sequence of odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. The algebra or nth term of the sequence is 2n minus 1. Now, taking n equals 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, we get first term x1. Can you say what is the first term? If n equals 1, the first term is 2 into 1 minus 1. Then second term 2 into 2 minus 1. Third term 2 into 3 minus 1, and so on. Then xn is 2 into n minus 1. Now let us add these terms. Okay, what we get? x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus etc. plus xn equals first term 2 into 1 minus 1 plus next 2 into 2 minus 1 plus 2 into 3 minus 1 plus etc. plus 2 into n minus 1. Okay, that is 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus etc. plus 2 into n plus the next minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 etc. How many times minus 1 are there? Yes, we have discussed first n odd numbers. So minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 etc. minus 1. That is, here 2 is common in these terms. So let us take outside 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n minus, take minus outside. All these are minus 1. So minus of 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus etc. plus 1. How many times? N times. N times 1. That is, we can write x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xn equals 2 into, what is this? Inside the bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n. Yes, this is the sum of first n natural numbers. So we can write half into n plus 1. Then here n times 1, that is n times 1 is n into 1. Now let us cancel 2 and 2. The next n into n plus 1 minus n. This is n into n plus n into 1 minus n. N into n square plus n minus n. Let us cancel n and minus n. So we get n square. Okay, that is the sum of first n odd numbers is n square. Okay, sum of first n odd numbers is n square. So first we take the nth term of odd number or the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 etc. is 2n minus 1. Next take n equals 1, 2, 3 etc. we get first term 2 into 1 minus 1. The next second 2 into 2 minus 1. Third 2 into 3 minus 1 etc. Nth term is 2 into n minus 1. Let us add the terms. So we get first one 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 2 into 2 minus 1 plus etc. plus 2 into n minus 1. Okay. Then 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus etc. plus 2 into n plus next minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 etc. minus 1. That is from this bracket take 2 outside. That is 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n. Then take minus in outside the bracket. So all these terms are negative. So minus of 1 plus etc. plus 1. N times 1. That is 2 into, this is the sum of first n natural numbers, that is half into n plus 1 minus n into 1. That is n into n plus 1 minus 1. Then n square plus n minus n. Then n and minus n 0. So the last one is n square. So we can say that the sum of first n odd numbers is n square. Okay. Sum of first n natural numbers is half into n plus 1. Then sum of first n even numbers is n into n plus 1. The next one sum of first n odd numbers is n square. That is the sum of consecutive odd numbers starting from 1 is the square of the number of odd numbers added. Okay, the sum of consecutive odd numbers starting from 1 is the square of the number of odd numbers added. That is x1 plus x2 plus etc. plus xn is n square. Okay, the sum of first n odd numbers is n square. Today we discussed sum of first n natural numbers, that is half into n plus 1. The sum of any number of consecutive natural numbers starting with 1 is half the product of the last number and the next natural number. The next one, sum of first n even numbers, that is n into n plus 1. The next one is sum of first n odd numbers, that is n square. Sum of consecutive odd numbers starting from 1 is the square of the number of odd numbers added. Okay. Let us stop the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.